Hey guys, what's up? My name is Sushi. So we are here for another tutorial how to fix your Gmail login. So first things first, if you have a Windows 7 or Windows 10 operating system, you just have to press your Windows key, then plus R, then type regedit, then enter, then go to H key, local machine, then software, then move to WOW64, then move to Microsoft, then move to Internet Explorer, then main, then feature control, then browser emulation. Here in browser emulation, press right click, then new, then dword 32-bit value, then type rf.exe, then press enter. And another, right click the rf online or rf.exe, then modify. Then put the value data into 0000 to AF8. Then select the base in hexadecimal. Then press OK or enter. Then after that, run your RF online. Then click the sign in with Google or log in with your Google account. Then enter. Then put your password. Then enter. So now you can log in using your Gmail account in any server except Coliseum. And I hope this tutorial helps. Thank you for watching.